and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm doing really good. Today we have an unboxing, but before we get into that, if you are new here, I am so happy to have you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So with that being said, and also I am recording some videos back to back, so if you guys see me in the same shirt, that is why, because I have so many boxes to get through. My boxes started rolling in like really fast all at once, so I am going to be doing a few back-to-back videos, so I'll be wearing this plain black shirt for just a couple of the videos. But anyways, enough rambling, let's get into this bagging unboxing. So today we have my Yes Oh Yes bag. Yes Oh Yes, I do believe it is like $17 a month because you have to pay for shipping. But you get beauty samples, sometimes hair care, sometimes nail care. So this is Yes Oh Yes, and this month it came in this amazing like holographic bubble mailer, and I'm loving this thing. Like, I'm addicted to it. I can't stop like looking over here and like just shining it in there. But this is Yes Oh Yes, so let's just get in here and see what we got. And I have no idea what is in here. I haven't seen any sneak peeks. I haven't had time to look at sneak peeks. So let's see if I can find the little card. Alright, so the theme this month is Cali Love, and it just says Yes Oh Yes, August 2018. And there's a little card for it. And then it has all of the items on the back and the prices. So we will go through this as we go through the items. So let's just pull something out. And the first thing I pull out is a brush. And you guys know I love getting brushes in subscription boxes. You can never have enough brushes because if some are dirty, you just pull out another one. So we'll see what this little guy is like. Alright, let me push him out. Alright, this is a crown brush. And it doesn't say what it's for, but it does have like the ergonomic thing for your thumb to hold it. I'm guessing this could be like a highlighting brush or something, whatever decide to use it for. But here is the brush itself. It is really soft. It's a little bit flimsy, but it is very soft. There is a little couple like stragglers on top. But this brush is, oh, it's a contour brush. It is a crown brush angle contour brush, and this is $22. Like, the price of brushes always astounds me. I know I say that in all my videos that I get a brush, but it's ridiculous how much brushes are. But this one is $22, so that is the first item we got in this bag. And let's see, the next thing I want to pull out, it's called Laka & Co. Something like that. It is a cloud lip, and it just comes in this little box here. My light's washing it out, but there's the box. And I'm guessing this is just it is an airy matte lipstick, and it is cruelty-free and paraben-free. So that's really cool. So we'll get into this and see what shade we got. Ooh, I really like that packaging. It's very sleek. It is like a rose gold color. It's very shiny. And it says Laka & Co. Cloud Lips. And this little guy is $20 for this. Let's see if I can, oh, there we go. Ooh, it is pink. This is in the shade Cherub, something like that. I can't pronounce words. But here is the lipstick. It is a pink color, and we'll give it a swatch. Ooh, I really like that. I love pink colors, and this isn't, it's not really like a Barbie pink. But here it is on the back of my hand, and I absolutely love it. So that is the lipstick, and it says it's supposed to dry down matte, which it already is. So we'll see how that works. I'm not going to try it on because I do have lip gloss on, so I don't want to like smear it all over my face. But that is the second thing that we got. The next thing I'm pulling out is, what is this little guy? Sorbet Treatment Cosmetics Natural Tea Tree Blotting Paper. Just blot it out is what it says. I have never used blotting paper. And this is, how much is this? Blotting paper is $12. So here's some just blotting paper I've never used. I'm guessing that it is if your skin is oily, which in my T-zone I am super oily. So this will be good for that. We'll just see what these little guys look like here. Alright, that's just a little thing. And it says you get 100 sheets, so that's a lot. So it is just this little, it looks just like the stuff you use for like cooking. But here is just the little sheet, and I guess you just blot out all of your face if you have oily skin. So that's really neat. I've never used blotting paper before. So I would definitely be using these guys because, like I said, especially in my T-zone, and my nose is super, super oily for some reason. So these guys will definitely help that. So there's that. The next thing I'm pulling out is Masquerade Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask. Pre-party prep, brighten, prime, and energize. So we have a sheet mask here, which I love getting sheet masks. I just have to make time to actually use all the sheet masks that I get. And this Masquerade Pre-Party Sheet Mask is $12. So there is that. And is this the last thing? Yes. The last thing in our little bag is, oh, everything's falling onto my foot. Beauty Creations Cali Set, and this is a palette, an eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $28. So let's see what this looks like and get some swatches. Here is the packaging for it. I really like it. It's very summery. I love the sunset, the little palm trees on the side. Love the packaging. So then we open it up. Oh, these are beautiful. It does have a safety shield. I always have to say that super slow because I always just mess it all up. Has a safety shield. It does have a mirror on the top, and it does fold back. These shades are beautiful. Here are these shades here, and I will swatch them for you guys. The first one is called Cocktail. Ooh, and they're very, very soft. This one's Cocktail. That would be a good like base. It's just like a white. And we'll just swatch it right here. So here, you probably won't pick up my camera, I'm guessing, because it is just like a white base shade. The next one is called Calabasas. I totally said that wrong. But it is a like pink shimmer shade. And here's that one on my finger. And I don't know if you guys will be able to see it in my camera, but it is like a pink shade. The next one is called Valley Girl. And it is this maroon color. And we'll put it right here. And there's that one. They're a little bit streaky, but there's that one. But when you swatch them, it's not always the same as when you put them on your eyes or on your eyelids. The next one is called Hollywood. And it is this gold color right here on my ring finger. And we'll put that one right next to that one. And there's that one. That one's really pretty. It's really hard to see in my camera. The next one is a matte, and it is called Delta. And it is a very, very light brown shade. It's super, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh, there, that one showed up. But that one is a brown shade. I don't know why those, oh, there we go. Now you can kind of see them. My light washes everything out. But anyways, the next one is called Sassy. And it is another gold shade. And here it is on my finger. And we'll just put this way down here. So there's Sassy. The next one is called Melrose. And it is a very, very light brown. And we'll just put that one right here. Well, that one's actually showed up a little bit darker. It's like a browny pink color. The next one is Martini. And, ooh, that's really pretty. It's like a pinky rose gold color. And we'll put that one here. I love that one. I think that one's my favorite so far. And that was Martini. And then the last one that we have is called Westwood. And it is a dark brown shade. And we'll just put that one right there. And that one's also just a little bit streaky. There's a little bit of fallout on them also, but overall, I really like all the shades. I think they're beautiful. Most of them are very pigmented. There's a couple that, you know, aren't very pigmented, but I bet I could build them up on my eyes. But here is that palette again. Like I said, some of them are a little bit like sheer than the other ones, but overall I really love this palette. So that is the last thing, now that I have swatches all over my arms. But the retail value of this entire bag is $94. So it says, visit any above makeup company's website, use code YAS for a special 10 to 20% off discount and more. And that was on the back of the card. So that was Yes Oh Yes. I really do love this bag. I will use everything that is in it. If you guys get Yes Oh Yes, please let me know if you guys like it. Do you think it's worth the money? Did you guys get the same items? I don't know if there's any variations with like the lip color or the mask or anything. So if you guys get it, let me know what you guys think. But with that being said, I think that is all for this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!